Hi everyone, Francine here from IMG Career Branding. Here today to wish you a very happy new year. Um, I guess we are in 2026, and I've been getting a lot of different queries from IMGs, everyone from different backgrounds, different situations, right? I did get a lot of queries between Christmas and New Year's, and today I actually had more than 15 IMGs completing the inquiry form, explaining their situation, and looking for help for 2026. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I actually wanted to share the pattern that I see between all of them. As I said, I have many different inquiries, everyone from different backgrounds, people looking, thinking about the specialist pathway, others that have passed AMC 1 and AMC 2 and haven't been able to find a job yet after 2 years, still looking for something, and so on. So many different cases, everybody wanting to come to Australia, but everyone feeling the pain of not getting a job for different reasons, right? But there are some patterns that I see that I would like to share with everyone, which I think is really, really helpful. And in most cases, what I see is a lack of understanding of the Australian system and how it works and how to plan their careers. Okay, so the first pattern that I see, the biggest problem for everyone, I can say 99% of most doctors, is their CV. Okay, and that's not just the formatting of their CV. That's one thing. Another thing is they are not being clear about their pathway, their eligibility, their skills, their background. They are not tailoring their applications for the different jobs. They are not writing their CV in a way that explains what they are about, how they can help that hospital, how they can make a difference for that health service, and so on. So the CV is the main pain point for everyone. So people come to me and they say, I've been applying for 6 months or 2 years and 4 months, whatever. And when I look at their CV, I'm actually not surprised that they haven't, heard anything, haven't been shortlisted, and so on. But the CV is only the first point, right? It's your first point of connection with that hospital, is when they look at your CV and they, in that CV doesn't really give them an idea of, how safe you are, if you're okay to work under supervision, if you understand their services, what can you bring, and so on. Usually what I see is just people like applying for everything, right? And that does not help, because to be able to build a career in Australia, you need to be able to basically plan your career. And you need to look at your career in a very strategic way. You need to understand timing. You need to understand campaigns. You need to have a really good understanding the different times that you need to do the different things that you need to do. So, and this is what I wanted to share today, because I understand the frustration that people go through, but without a strategy and without planning and understanding how it works, it just becomes very difficult to become successful. Okay, it just becomes really, really difficult. As I said, when I started my job in the healthcare, as a recruiter in the medical industry, for the first 2 years was like, somebody just opened my head, cracked my head open, throwed in a lot of information and shook it, right? For 2 years was very, very hard to actually grasp how everything works. So imagine if you are somebody that is offshore, okay, trying to understand a system that's totally gray, there is no black and white. Different states, different health services, they all work in different ways. and it's different for entry-level roles, IMO, JMOs, is different for unaccredited roles, or is different for specialist roles, right? Everything is different. So every case is different. So there isn't one size fits all. So that's why it's important to work with somebody that understands this system and understands how everything works and can help you put in a strategy together so that you can have more success going forward. So as I said, it's not only the CV. The CV is the major problem that I see to start with. That's the first thing that needs to be done right. And then after that, you have to work in a strategy. You have to work in the planning, and you need to understand the right times to do the different things. It is a very competitive system. It's getting even worse because I tell you, I think I get at least 50 connections on LinkedIn from IMGs. They're actually looking for a position in Australia. So if you multiply 50 by 300 something 6 days a year, imagine the amount of people that are looking for a job in Australia. And this is to take out the people that are already in Australia, have done their degree in Australia, have done their internship in Australia and so on, and that's removing candidates from the UK, US, Canada, Ireland and so on, right? Because these people, they do have the upper hand, when it comes to finding a job, just because of the qualifications and so on. So imagine how competitive it is. So you need to understand, I guess the message here is understanding that it's not just one thing. It's not just your CV that will make the difference for you. That is just the first entry point that needs to be done right, okay? And then everything else is about planning, strategy, networking, understanding timelines of when you should be doing CPD activities, when, if you've been out of work, reasons of practice is extremely important and so on. So there are many things that need to come together, okay? So it's important to have that in mind and understand that this is what's gonna move the needle for you. And this is a long process. It's not a quick process, especially for the ones that have been trying for a while. I know it is hard, but once you start doing things right, slowly you should be able to see a shift. And another thing that I've seen as well, after doing many different coaching calls with different doctors, once they start understanding how everything works, the sense of relief of understanding something just puts you in a different situation, just puts you in a different frame of mind, which makes you feel more comfortable with where you are at and where you are going. Okay, so that's what I say, information is absolutely everything. So when you have information and you understand how things work, life becomes much easier. And I believe this is not just for this journey, this is for everything else in life. Okay, so just wanted to bring these observations today for you. And if you'd like to work together, just complete the inquiry form. I've added the link somewhere here. I don't know if it's going to be appearing below or up here somewhere. Fill up the form and I'll be happy to share the options that I have that may be able to help you out. Wishing you a great day ahead and talk to you soon.